Welcome back, children. Let us start with next question. If a plus b is equals to 7 and ab equals to 10, means the value of a plus b is given to us and the value of ab is given to us. Okay, so we have to find the value of a square plus b square. So do you remember the formula of a plus b whole square, in which a plus b, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So we have given the value a of a plus b and ab. So we can easily put the values in the formula. A plus b ka whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab, and here a plus b is 7. But if we are doing, I have told you before also, if we are doing the square of RHS, we have to do the square of LHS also. Okay, so if we are doing the square of a plus b, we have to do the square of 7 also. Okay, because this is equal. Now a plus b ka whole square formula is a square plus b square plus 2ab, and here we will do the square of 7. It will be 49. Now we have to find the value of a square plus b square. So children, we will write a square plus b square remain like this only, and ab की value we have given है हमको. So 2 into 10, okay, equals to 49. So this will be 20, and when this 20 will come here, it will become 49 minus 20. So a square plus b square will be 29. Now if we have given, means vice versa, इसकी वैल्यू गिवन है और हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है, a प्लस b फाइंड आउट करना है. देन a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर इज गिवन टू अस, एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ a प्लस b एंड a माइनस b ऑल्सो. सो फर्स्ट वी विल पुट द फॉर्मूला. a प्लस b का होल स्क्वायर इज दैट a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab. देन a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर की भी वैल्यू गिवन है और ab की भी वैल्यू गिवन है. सो वी विल ओनली पुट द वैल्यूज ऑफ a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर 41 हेयर एंड ab की 20. So it will be 2 into 20. So 41 plus 2 20s are 40. It will be 81. Now children, this is in square. A plus b का whole square है. So we have to find but the value of a plus b only. So what we will do? We will do the square root of this portion. Means 81 का square root करेंगे. तो square root of 81 will be 9, because 9 9s are 81 होते हैं. So a plus b will be 9. All right. Now let us take next part, a minus b का whole square. Means a minus b की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है. So same process we will apply here. a minus b का whole square का फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करेंगे. बस यहाँ पे minus 2ab आ जाएगा. We will again put the values of a square plus b square and ab in the question, and we have got 1. a माइनस बी, अब ये होल स्क्वायर में है, तो जब इसका स्क्वायर रूट करेंगे तो 1 का स्क्वायर रूट 1 ही होता है. तो a माइनस बी विल बी 1. ऑल राइट. नाउ इफ वी हैव द इक्वेशन, मीन्स एक्सप्रेशन इज गिवन टू अस एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू when x and y is given to us. Means x and y की वैल्यू is given and we have to substitution you have done in previous class also. So we have to substitute the values of x and y in this expression. All right. So now we can also use directly also, means x and y की value we can put directly also, or we can make the formula of a plus b ka whole square. You can see these numbers are in whole squares, so we can arrange these in formulas. So a plus b ka whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So we will take 36 में हम इसका स्क्वायर रूट स्क्वायर करेंगे तो ये 6 का होल स्क्वायर होता है. 36 इज द स्क्वायर ऑफ 6. So we can write here 6x का whole square. Okay, because if we will write like this, if we will open this, 36x square ही होगा यहाँ पे. And 49y square को we can write as b का square, means 7y का whole square. All right, and plus 2ab. So now ab is not 36 and 49. Now ab is 6 and 6x and 7y. Okay, now these are ab. So 6x plus 7y का होल स्क्वायर का फॉर्मूला बन गया ये. Now 2 into 6x is a and b is 7y. Now we will do the now we will substitute the values. x की वैल्यू 3 है तो 6 इंटू 3 का होल स्क्वायर, प्लस y की वैल्यू 6 है तो 7 इंटू 6 का होल स्क्वायर, प्लस 2 इंटू 6 इंटू 3 plus 7 into 6. Okay, now we have to only simplify this. 6 3s are 18 and we will do the square of 18. It will be 324. 7 6 are 42. 42 ka square it will be 1764. Then we will solve this. So we got 3600 as the answer, means value of this expression. All right children. One more important thing children, perfect square trinomial means what are perfect square trinomials? Every algebraic expression or trinomial algebraic expression is in the form of 3 terms. जो 3 की terms में होती हैं means जिसमें 3 terms होती हैं that is called trinomial, and जिसमें 2 terms होती हैं that is called binomial, and जिसमें 1 term होती है that is called monomial. So every algebraic expression or trinomial of the form a square plus b square plus 2ab or a square plus b square minus 2ab means जो इनकी form में है expression that is called the perfect square trinomial. Okay, इस फॉर्मूले की फॉर्म में जो भी algebraic expression है that is also called a perfect square trinomial. For example, this is the expression 4a square plus 9 upon 25 minus 12a. So this is the perfect square trinomial because if we apply the formula in this of a plus b का whole square or a minus b का whole square, we will got this as a perfect square. means इसका सबका perfect square हो सकता है. 4 का square root will be 2, 9 का 3 and 25 का 5. So we can apply these values in the formula. We got it as a perfect square. Okay, I hope children you all have understood all the topics related to this chapter, and with this we have also finished our chapter. So now you can easily do your exercise on your own.